Hello friends, I'm Ufuk Shen. One of the biggest issues users face in SketchUp 2024, friends, you can't save files or as an older version. Now, normally when I come from the file menu and get to the save section, I need to save the version in SketchUp to a smaller version, but I can't save it. They have removed such a feature in SketchUp 2024, but you can solve this with a plugin, friends. It's very simple. You go into the external share section. Look here, if you say save as SketchUp 2017 from the save section, it will save to the current version. If you say save copy as below, it will save the file to the version where the file is located, in this case the 2017 version, friends. I will leave this plugin in the description. You can get it. Installation is very simple. Look, when you enter this section, when you go into the extension manager, you click on install extension. It's enough to select the file and click OK, friends. It doesn't require any helper keys. If you want to support the content creator, you can go to this section, the About section. Look, the user's name is clear here. This is how users are solving the issues they've been facing. Friends, when sending to 3DMX, pay attention to this situation when taking Corona render, friends. You definitely need to save from this version to an older version, either 2017 or 2020. So why should the version be lower in 3DMX? If you are using 3DMX 2020, it needs to be below 2020, friends. So if you're using 2024, it needs to be below 2024. But you did this with SketchUp 2020 from here. Let it go to 3DM. In 2019, it will not accept it this time, friends. There is a delicate situation. Pay attention to types of situations. When you do these, you can use it without any issues. It's a big part of our YouTube address, friends. It's watching you subscribe to our channel. I want to remind you of this as well. I would be happy if you subscribe. You can download and install the plugin from the description section and the download link. Let's wait for your comment. See you again. Love, respect. Bye.